InsinkErator Indulge Contemporary F-GN1100 by InsinkErator. Currently the best instant hot water tap is the InsinkErator F-GN1100 Faucet, which has a lot to offer besides its sleek contemporary look. First, it comes in two versions, hot water only and hot and cold water. So you can choose to replace your current tap altogether or install the hot water faucet next to it. The InsinkErator Indulge has been crafted from brass for durability, and its installation is a breeze if you are a DIYer. This tap is engineered to use the InSinkErator HWT-F1000S Instant, which you'll need to purchase separately. This is a 3-gallon tank capable of offering up to 60 cups of hot water in an hour. Importantly, this tank is a 750 watt model that offers near boiling water at 98 degrees Celsius, although there's an option to adjust the temperature to as low as 91 degrees Celsius. The tap comes with a 5-year warranty and the tank gets 3 years. But what's more interesting is that InsinkErator professionals will come to you if any of these two items misbehave within the warranty period.